Hey guys, it's Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today we're unboxing the Daily Goodie Box. This is the April box. If you're not familiar with Daily Goodie, I have unboxed this like for the past quite a few months. It's a really cool box, and here's why. It is 100% free. Costs $0. All you have to do, once you go to the Daily Goodie Box site and sign up, you're going to sign up, you're going to fill out some stuff about you. They're going to pair you with a box that matches your, you. It might take a while. There's a lot of people that want free stuff. Who doesn't? Once you get your box, all you have to do is try it all out and then go back to Daily Goodie and tell them what you think of the items. Super, super simple. If you're interested, I'll link to them below. I'll also link to my full review. I'll also link to each product in this box, and I'll also link to my reviewer page. I've been reached out to by so many of you guys, so many. And I love to give you guys tips and pointers. So many of you guys are like, hey, how did you get into this? How did you, and I do have a whole page on my blog that links you to different companies that I've worked with that I think are great to start getting stuff to review. All right, so anyway, without further ado, we're going to open this box up. Okay. So here you go. Please enjoy all the free samples and full-size products included in this box. Remember to log into your account and share your thoughts on everything included in this box. So they do remind you. There you go, and that's what it looks like. And then you pop it open. Ba-dum, ba-dum. And there you go. There's everything. It's so much, right? Okay, so first we have gotten something from these guys before. What's the name of this company? Fluffhouse? I forget. Fluffhouse. Yeah, shortbread cookies. We had like key lime before, I feel like. These are shortbread cinnamon snaps. So that sounds delicious. I have found so many great snacks in this box, and a lot of them are gluten-free. They're organic. They're all natural. So if you're interested in that kind of stuffs, this is definitely the box for you to try out, or even to try out some of the snacks that you see in these unboxings. So this next item is from Good Karma. It's a dairy-free flax milk. It's chocolate. So I don't know if I've ever told you guys this. I don't drink milk because I'm lactose intolerant. For me to drink it, I have to take like Lactaid and whatnot. So for me, this is perfect. Now, I'm not huge into like milk products, and I can eat cheese and everything else, no problem. It's just milk and like milkshakes and like lattes. I can't go there. So this, I'm actually excited to try. I've never had flax milk. I've tried almond. I've tried soy. I just don't need milk that much in my life, and I can put milk, like regular milk, into things to like bake. But I'm excited to try this because if it tastes really good, it might be a new product for me. This does have 10 grams of plant protein and omega-3. So that's cool. All right, moving along. Fruit emojis. This is mixed fruit flavored snacks from Prince and Spring. So last month, Prince and Spring put in a full-size box of their coconut oil single serving packets, which I think is awesome. Single serving coconut oil, you can keep it in your purse to moisturize or put it on the ends of your hair, or you can just add it to your coffee to make, I forget the name. I can't think of it. Anyway, these are like little gummy treats. I'm sure my kids will really enjoy them. I will, however, have to split them up or there will be a war in my house. All right. All right, so this is, DayClear Allergy Relief. This is a cough suppressant and antihistamine 1 dose. What is the age requirements? It lasts 8 hours. It's gluten-free, sugar-free, dye-free for ages 12 plus. So I don't have allergies. Penelope does, but she's not old enough to try this. So I may pass this on to someone. I'm actually curious, though, if it works. How well it works, for somebody that does have allergies. It's a great alternative to pills, especially if you have trouble taking pills. So many people do. All right. Ooh, Raw Rev. You guys know I love them. This is an organic. They changed their package. Look at that. That's different. This is the chunky peanut butter chocolate. So this is vegan, gluten-free, 5 grams of plant-based protein. These are all raw. Everything is like you can literally look at the ingredients. It's like 5. It's always like just really, really healthy, good for you. Let's see here. Does it have the ingredients listed? No, it has the nutrition. I'm trying to find it, but I can't find it. Anyway, so it's a superfood bar. I'm excited to try that. All right, Now we have some ghee butter. This is Madagascar vanilla bean, grass-fed and lactose-free. I've actually never had ghee. I hear about it all the time. Never tried it, so this is my opportunity. I'm excited. See, I told you, all sorts of natural and organic products. I'm about this life. All right. Oh, these are cool. So this is from Good Wipes. These are like flushable, you know, personal hygiene wipes. Keep them in your purse or whatever. I like these. I think they're cool. Especially like, it's so crazy. But like with the kids, when you go into public, you never know when you're not going to have toilet paper. Not even kidding. It's a thing. There you go. And some of them are scented, but these don't look... This is a Shea Cocoa. So it's like a more moisturizing. We've gotten lavender before, I think, in this box and whatnot. This is actually where I found these. I've been seeing them all over the place. So that's really cool. Then we've got Real Chemistry Fresh Start Foaming Cleanser. I've seen this somewhere before, but I don't know where. I like the package. Isn't it cool? I love skincare, so I'm excited to try this. Yahoo, right? Okay. Moving along. Whew, oh, here's another pack of fruit emojis. So there's two I get to split up. Maybe I'll like put it in like the bank, like the lottery. We have a kid lottery, so if you were well behaved, you get to pick from the lottery. Maybe, maybe not. I don't know. All right. Foods Alive Himalayan Pink Salt. I love Foods Alive. They have all raw, like unprocessed foods. Pink salt is awesome. We make popcorn a lot. We'll use, we just use like a stray salt that we have. This will work for that. So this is a superfood. Superfoods. It's raw, non-GMO, vegan, whatnot. You know that stuff. So it's a whole packet of salt. I love it. I actually have a salt mill. Maybe I'll put it in there. All right. Next, here's just some papers about the different products included. But what is this? Do not eat. This is our last item. Aromatherapy dough. Or was it slime? It's a loaf slime. I'm going to have to hide this. If you're a parent, you know exactly what I mean. Okay. So this is from... It's an Etsy store. This is a first. We've never received anything from Etsy in a Daily Goodie Box. Loaf slime. That's the name of the shop. And here's the little container. Oh, it smells like, I don't know what it smells like. Oh, did you see it like drop down? Like, oh. You ever watch the videos on like Instagram? There's like, if you look up slime videos, or like, it's, yeah, it's got its own like little cult. My kids are a part of it. So I'm excited to show them this in like a supervised setting, of course. So that's everything I received in my Daily Goodie Box for April. If you're interested in the full review, I'll link to that. I'll also link to Daily Goodie Box so you can check them out. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.